Good day, sir. I am Jerome de Arenesis, Base Cream 2 from Subucogon, Misamis Oriental. I will report Chapter 2, Nationalism and Patriotism. Nationalism and ideology and movement defined by promoting an interest of a particular nation, in particular with the aim of acquiring and maintaining a nation's sovereignty over its country of origin. In 2010, Smith. Nationalism claims that each nation should regulate itself free from outside intervention, that a nation of natural ideal political basis, and that the nation is only legitimate source of political authority. Finlayson, 2014. This also aims to build and maintain a single national identity based on shared social characteristics such as culture, language, religion, politics, and belief in the distinctive shared history, and to promote national unity or solidarity. Yap, in 2012, nationalism therefore seeks to preserve and encourage a nation. Traditional culture and cultural revivals have been connected to nationalism movements. It also fosters pride in mistake, accomplished, and strongly associated with patriotism. Types of nationalism. One is ethnic ethnic nationalism. The country is described from prior generation in terms of ethnicity and descent. It also involves the concept of a shared culture among group members and generally a shared language. The nation membership is hereditary. The state derives political legitimacy from its status as the ethnic group homeland, from its obligation to safeguard the particularly domestic group, and as a group to promote its family and social life. In contrast to Western opinions of a country defined by its geographic history, theorist Anthony D. Smith utilized the word ethnic nationalism from Western notion of nationalism. The word ethno-nationalism is usually used only in relation to nationalists who support an explicit ideology along these lines. The more generic word is ethnic nationalism and is used by nationalists who hold such views in informal, instinctive, or unsystematic manner. Number 2 is civic nationalism. The state derives political legitimacy from its citizens' active involvement, and the extent to which it reflects will of individual civic nationalism lies within the tradition and rationalism and liberalism, but is contrasted with ethnic nationalism as a type of nationalism. Civic nation membership is regarded to be a voluntary. The growth of representative democracy in nations such as the United States and France was affected by civic national values. State nationalism, often coupled with ethnic nationalism, is a version of civic nationalism. It means that the country community of those who contribute to the state maintenance and strength, and that there to the state person to contribute to the objective. The country is supposed to be a community, those who contribute to the state maintenance and strength, and where the person exists expressly in the society to contribute to that objective. This often results in nationalism, fascism, and political ideology. 3 is expansionist nationalism, a radical form of imperialism that includes independent patriotic feelings with a faith in expansionism, generally through military aggression. The word was coined in the late 19th century as European power indulged in the scramble for Africa in the name of domestic glory, but was most closely linked with military government in the 20th century. 4 is romantic nationalism. It is otherwise known as organic nationalism and identity nationalism, the form of ethnic nationalism which is state-derived political legitimacy as a result and expression of a nation natural. It is based on the presence of historical ethnic culture that meets the romantic ideal. It is expressed romanticism values and opposes the nationalism of enlightenment, a historical ethnic culture that means the romantic ideal was emphasized by romantic nationalism. Folklore involved as a romantic nationalism notion. 5 is cultural nationalism. The country is described by shared culture, not solitary civic or ethnic. Chinese nationalism is an instance of culture nationalism, partially due to China's many nation minorities. Membership in the nation is neither complete, voluntary nor hereditary. However, a traditional culture can be more readily integrated into lives of any person, particularly if the person can obtain her abilities. And an early point as her own lives, cultural nationalism has been defined as variety or non-civil or ethnic nationalism. And the 6 is third world nationalism. Nationalist feelings are outcome of opposition to colonial rule to survive and maintain a domestic identity. 7 is liberal nationalism. Is a kind of nationalism lately defined by political philosophers who think that a non-xenophobic form of nationalism compatible with liberal values of liberty, tolerance, equality, and individual rights can exist. It is asserted that is order to lead meaningful, independent life. People need national identity, and thus liberal democracies need domestic identity to work correctly. Liberal nationalism often defend the importance of domestic identity, stating that people need a domestic identity to lead meaningful, independent life, need domestic identity to work correctly. And John Stuart Mill are often true to be early liberal nationalists. 8 is religious nationalism. Nationalism connection to specific religious faith, church, or affiliation. It can be seen that a shared religion contributes to a sense of domestic unity and a mutual bond between the nation people. This connection can be divided into two dimensions: religions, politicization, and religions converse, ethics, and politics. In the former aspect, can be seen that shared religion between the nation people, the support of a national identity comparable to a shared ethnicity, language, or culture, is another political elements of religion, more ideological sa impact of religion on politics, where present interpretations of religious concepts inspire political activism and action. For instance, legislation are enacted to encourage stricter religious adherence. Lines sa pan-nationalism. Ethnic or cultural nationalism refers to a country which is itself a closure and associated ethnic and cultural communities such as Turkish peoples. Then is a diaspora nationalism. Diaspora is an ethnic population residing outside their traditional homelands. In this type of nationalism, there is nationalism since etc. The Irish, the United States, the Jews in the United States are elsewhere, or etc. State Number 11 is a stateless nationalism. On nationalism basis, the Catalans and Basques in Spain, an ethnic or cultural minority within a nation-state, aims independence. 12 is a national conservatism, political term mainly used in Europe to describe a version of conservatism that focuses more on domestic interests than conventional conservatism, while not being undoubtedly nationalist or pursuing a far-right agenda. 13 is revolutionary nationalism. Revolutionary nationalism, it is an ideological theory that calls for domestic group united by shared sense or intent the destiny, also known as a radical nationalist. It was first described and strongly promulgated by Benito Mussolini to the followers of revolutionary syndicalism in France and Italy. The start of 20th century, this intellectual synthesis of radical nationalism and dissident society was created. 14. Left-wing nationalism, also sometimes referred to as socialist nationalism, relates to any political movement combining left-wing or socialism with nationalism. Notable examples include the 26 July movement of Fidel Castro, which launched the Cuban Revolution in 1959. To oust the African bucket, Fulgencio Batista, Ireland Sinn Féin, Israel Labor Zionism, and the African National Congress. Patriotism. Pride is the sense of love, dedication as attachment to a country and alliance with other people who share the same impression. This attachment can be mixture of many distinct emotions, including ethnic, cultural, political, historical elements related to one's own country. It is predominant virtue linked to a nation love with greater emphasis on values belief. One who patriotic willing to offer no sacrifice to nation, else he'll never live alone egotistically. For example, for the sake of his country, a soldier makes the ultimate sacrifice of his life. For other no reason than being a citizen of that nation. Patriotism is a sense of attachment and dedication to a country, nation, a political community, or just country love. English word patriot. It first known in the Elizabeth period. Originated from Latin 6th century patriota via Middle French meaning countryman. Finally from Greek patriotis meaning from the same nation patris meaning fatherland Liddell and Scott in 2013. The abstract noun patriotism appears in the early 18th century. Kinds of patriotism. One is a patriotism of duty. This includes fidelity to one's nation through material acts. This is military service patriotism and other selfish sacrifice types. This is where patriotism becomes embodied and his ideals in praiseworthy particular nations. Action. Two is a patriotism of affection. This a patriotism of heart is about one's internal desire for his country well-being. The patriotism of affection can be seen in the patriotism of duty, but it does not necessarily result in it. One can truly love his country and his yet be a coward just and to think about the country welfare. 3 is a patriotism of manners. This is custom patriotism, written and unwritten. The patriotism of manners is to place one hand over the heart during the national anthem. It can be performed by anyone without actually needing affection or duty. Patriotism with the above types of patriotism show, at least in the part of real beliefs and hopes of a person. The patriotism of manners established mostly opposite of protocol. Types of patriotism. One is a personal patriotism. It's emotional, voluntary. The patriot adheres to certain patriotic values, such as respect for a flag or honoring of veterans. Other expression personal patriotism includes enlisting in any army public service and patriotism in the political process through voting or other forms of activism. 2 is official patriotism, promoted by government, which has a high symbolic and symmetrical content. It is logical consequence of a state itself, which derives legitimacy from being the expression of common good of political community. 3 is a symbolic patriotism in wartime and intended to raise morale, in turn contributing to war of the effort. 4 is a pacetime patriotism, cannot be so easily linked to a measurable gain for the state, but the patriot does not see as inferior. different between patriotism and nationalism. On the other hand, nationalism, emotion based on the belief that nation is superior to all others, it also holds connotation of other countries' desert or disapproval, leading to the premise that other states, countries automatically nationalists, do sometimes the point calling for the global dominance of their country. Nationalism is the polar opposite of globalism by protectionalist beliefs. That's all, sir, and thank you.